The 2025 Honda Civic, known for reliability, style, and innovation. But does its warranty make it worth the investment? The 2025 Honda Civic continues to impress with a sleek, sporty exterior and a tech-savvy interior. It's designed to keep you comfortable and connected, making every drive feel luxurious. But how does Honda's warranty stack up? With Honda's reputation for reliability, the Civic offers more than just good looks, it's built to perform. Whether you're on a city commute or a cross-country drive, the Civic delivers a smooth and efficient ride. And for those looking at the hybrid version, there's peace of mind knowing the hybrid components are covered for up to 8 years or 100,000 miles. While Honda's warranty package is solid, it's worth noting it's pretty average compared to some competitors like the Hyundai Elantra and Kia K4, which offer longer coverage. Here is what you get with the Civic: a limited warranty covering 3 years or 36,000 miles, and a powertrain warranty for 5 years or 60,000 miles. The hybrid components, as we mentioned, are covered for 8 years or 100,000 miles. Plus, buyers receive a complimentary maintenance plan, although it's just for 1 year or 12,000 miles, down from the 2-year coverage offered in previous models. With the Honda Civic, you're investing in a reliable, high-performance car that retains its value well over time. While the warranty isn't class-leading, Honda's proven dependability and efficiency make it a smart choice for both daily driving and long-term ownership. So, what do you think? Would you choose the Honda Civic for its style, efficiency, and reliability, or is a longer warranty important to you? Let us know in the comments below and share your thoughts on Honda's latest offering.